Hey everybody, and welcome to Plastic Nostalgic, where all toys are nostalgic. Eventually. Today we're going to round out our spooky nostalgia trip with another Walmart exclusive from the 50th anniversary Scooby Doo collection, the Frightface Scooby Doo with the Black Knight. But also, we're going to open up the Mystery Machine featuring Fred. I always enjoyed seeing this cartoon as a kid, so I can't wait to get into this one. Here we have the packaging for the 50th anniversary Walmart exclusive Scooby Doo collection, and this is Frightface Scooby Doo and the Black Knight. And on the packaging here you can see Happy Birthday Scooby Doo and the whole gang from Mystery Inc. And on this side we have the Happy Birthday 50 years, same as on this side. Here we have the back, which displays each character. That sure is a fright face on that Scooby-Doo. And this one says, Scooby-Doo chases ghosts and ghouls with the rest of Mystery Inc., but he'd much rather keep busy with a Scooby snack. His best friend is Shaggy, and you can usually find both of them either running away from a monster or snacking on double-decker sandwiches in the back of the Mystery Machine. And the Black Knight text here says, the Black Knight is a large black suit of English armor that is rumored to come alive at night when the moon is full. Despite being made out of heavy metal, the Black Knight moves very quickly. You never know where he is until he's right behind you. As always, use care when operating a knife. Luckily these packages have been real easy to open with just a little piece of tape on them and no danger. Frightface Scooby Doo and the Black Knight. Let's check out Scooby Doo here. It's got the movable tail, multi-posable legs, classic Scooby Doo collar, and them eyes are seriously bugged out there. But if you're familiar with the cartoon, then you know, oh my goodness, his eyes and his tongue bug out even more. Like I was saying, if you're familiar with the cartoon, this was a regular occurrence on that show. Wow, that's pretty neat. I didn't know that did that. I can't quit. Okay, get back to posing him around. Very articulated, spinning his head and his legs and shoulders, and of course being a four-legged creature he stands up rather nicely. But I tell you what, that is trippy. Okay, now let's get to the Black Knight. Well, he's a lot more posable than the Frankenstein and the Wolfman, but still a nice sturdy piece of plastic. His head moves, his shoulders, elbows, and knees. Make it look like he's chasing Scooby-Doo. These two are something else. I really like that Scooby-Doo though. And here we have that classic vehicle, the Mystery Machine. Opens up into a larger playset, includes Fred, and has the Happy Birthday Scooby on that side. Happy Birthday Scooby with the cake. Here on the back we can see that the mystery crew fit in the cab. He looks pretty cool hanging there with his arm out the window. folds out here. Here we see Fred Jones. Fred is the glue that keeps Mystery Inc. together, and his mind is always 2 or 3 steps ahead of the creature thereafter. He sees mysteries as a chess match, and nothing keeps him happier than planning genius and elaborate traps to catch ghosts, vampires, boogeymen, and more. Well, unfortunately, people who end up in a trap is usually Scooby and Shaggy. Here we have the Mystery Machine text. The Mystery Machine is the home away from home for Mystery Inc., a gadget-rich van that carries the gang from town to town, solving mysteries and unmasking villains. They'd be nowhere without it. Isn't that the truth? I always seem to have a thing about breaking down at the right spot when there was a mystery afoot. Okay, let's get into this one. This one has a lot of tape. So let's just see where it all is and make sure we get it all off, or at least released. Okay, there we go. If it slides out, something's got it a hold. Probably more tape. Let's see. Wow, getting the Mystery Machine out seems to be a mystery in itself. Aha. Hidden tape. That package was a little hard to keep together. And there's more tape. And more tape. Well, we might need to grab a screwdriver to get this one off. There's a mystery afoot. Okay, now that we got all the tape off, and do some little magic here with the screws. Take that out. Nothing in that cardboard. Nothing there. And here we have the Mystery Machine. Alright, let's see how we open this thing up. There's more tape. Wouldn't you know? Go ahead and cut that. And there's a piece there. See if I can peel that one off. Alright. There we go. We got some bats and some 70s flowers. Okay, on that side we have a picture of Shaggy and Scooby, and these are steps leading up. Got some mysterious footprints, and it looks like a treasure map, bag of Scooby snacks, magnifying glass, flashlight, and dog bone. And on the back here it says 50th anniversary. Wow, and on this side, they have quite a selection of Scooby snacks, along with a sandwich and a hot dog, and that flowery 70s wallpaper that was so prevalent back then. Let's see. I'm not sure how this comes up or out or over. Looks like the top comes. Aha! More tape. They sure like tape wherever they made this thing at. So that folds up and wiggle Fred out, I guess. There we go. Fred Jones. Backbone of Mystery Inc. Classic neckerchief. Pretty good articulation for driving that van around. So he fits right in there. There we go. Hang his arm out the window here. Well, they sure made it look easier on the box. There we go. Just got to sit him down in there just right. Now, how all of Mystery Inc. is going to fit in here, I don't know about that. But we'll just have to find out. I took a little tumble in there. Fred Jones in the Mystery Machine. Such a groovy ride. Glad I finally got one. Vroom. And the package was right. With some finagling, I have made all of them fit on the inside of the cab. Some tight squeezing and there's a little bit of lap sitting, but we got them in there. And only with Scooby Doo in the back. Coming to your town, solving mysteries. Mystery Inc. Thanks for joining us today on Plastic Nostalgic. We're all toys are nostalgic. Eventually. Now that the gang's all here, they can enjoy some Halloween fun. And I hope everyone has a safe and happy Halloween. But be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. See y'all next time.